Whoa, what's good? What's up, everybody? Um, yes. Another week. It's 3:17 today. Uh, yeah. Just gonna do a quick review and forecast for new week and whatnot. Um, yeah, starting with the DXY. We said last week we wanted higher prices before the continuation. Cause looking back at the 20 days. 40 days. And 60 days look back is like, yeah, we aiming for liquidity below here, potentially here. Those who say we don't take this liquidity up here. Who? The trend. Oh, the trend says it. Trend says it. And if the trend says it, no, then it must be. It must be. But, yeah, this new week. Yeah, the continuation down to fill in this fair rally up here. Do 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 do. Oh, excuse me. Damn. Yeah, see the start. Have buys up before we actually get the breakdown to continue and whatnot. That's just a 1 hour time frame. You can see that, expect that. For the next week. So yeah, let's just get into it. Quick forex. Damn, I got off too, so that's crazy. Anyways, quick forex. Uh, yeah, last week we wanted to see the continuation to the top side for EU to take these equal highs right there. But I told you guys to watch this low to get prices higher from there. So she did chase lower. I would have been a -1 if you took them. This one would have been a win or break even, depending how your management rules are. Because if you manage to this high and this high, that's already like let's see. If you would have took this entry, stop below this, so 1 to 2. But how much is she on 1 to 4? Yeah, you could have really aimed for 1 to 3. But look, let's make it movie fine. If you would have seen, yeah, none of this even matters right now. But okay, so it's a new week. But yeah, she came down, tapped the order block, traded away from the order block. Man, traded way lower. But I'm still expecting higher prices to those equal highs resting there, because this is more liquidity that she pulled there. And with the dollar, if the dollar is gonna keep selling, then this is the inverse. So this would do the opposite of the dollar. So the dollar bought up. What did you do? You sold down. You sold down. But you bought up. You feel me? But yeah. You. This week we're expecting a clear of this liquidity, then trades higher from there, or you can even get a deeper retracement to. So that is the 50% already, but yeah, we might get the 70, 78. And then yeah, target all these on this buy side right there, resting right there. JU daily. Yeah, last week we wanted to flush out into this fair value gap and then trade higher. We got the flush out. and then started trading higher, but then failed to continue and fell through. So yeah, and that's it. After she took all this liquidity to the upside. So right now, I'll either wait for the 50% of this leg up, which would be like yeah, at least there before getting higher prices. But I think she might go lower than that. Having this on, we see this as liquidity. That whole thing is liquidity. Yeah, we can really just do 50% of this move to be like here. So, yep, this week I'm still expecting like some lower prices to at least like here. And then shots up to the moon. Feel me? But, da 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 da. UJ. Yeah, last week we said we wanted, yeah, it's Friday. The open. We wanted to see higher prices, but we were not gonna look for longs unless it confirmed it, which it did here once the hour broke above this rally gap. So we could have started looking for buys off of here. Feel me? This is the first break. Feel me? And that second break there, and then you could have got another entry there. Boom. But yeah, can't really execute on any of these. So this week, what I'm looking for, I'll say 50% of this. This week for the yeah, she could tap into that wick, but who's to say she just doesn't take, she say she don't just take off from here. I mean, yeah, flush out to continue buying. Yeah, that's it for the forex side. Yeah, cause gold, I'm gonna do it on the future side. You already know the vibes. I mean, I tried along in here, but you know, anywho, all paper trading though, all paper trading. None of this is real. Oh, I forgot the disclaimer, but yeah, since already like halfway through this beach, I'm just gonna say yeah, disclaimer. None of this is financial advice. Please do your own research into all the markets and any financial markets before putting your real life funds into it because this is a very risky business and you can get your ass handed to you. But yeah, with that being said, let's continue into forex, which I really actually trade. I mean futures. Oh my goodness, my tongue slipping. But anyways, so on to the futures. Start with NQ. NQ last week. What did we want? What did we want? What did we want? Yeah, here's the start of last week. I said we could have, you know, took those, but I was, overall bullish. So I was looking for buys starting the week. So Sunday, BBB said we want that mostly. Then it traded lower. It took some sell side from last week. Then what did we get? Ooh, and then back down to the discount levels, and then traded above. So you could have got a nice little move there. I think I caught this nice 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, markets are opening. Oh yeah, this contract expired too. So yeah, I don't know why I'm here then. Okay, better. Yeah, that contract was expired, man. Looking at expired milks. Okay. Anyways, yeah, we got that move up that we wanted, but then fell through. And then, is this? Yeah, I was. This was a little nice, right around mine. Yeah, nice 1 to 2, 1 to 3 years. But, well, as you know, came back, hit break even. It would have been, should have been, shoulda, woulda, woulda, coulda, woulda, woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Okay, yeah, this week, I would not be surprised if, yeah, if all these lows get ran. Since she just came down to that low, yeah, we could potentially see 50% of this before all of these, but I really don't see how these are safe down here. But for now, they are. So the impulse up was these. We at the 50%, but can we get deeper into discount, which would be there, and then 50% of this, which also lines up beautifully with the I think 80. Oh, so close, but yeah, 50% of that. Well, yeah. Now YAM. Yeah, let me just go. Yeah, because I want to see what I said last week. I mean, I want y'all to see what I said last week because I know what I said, and it's just crazy to me. It's like, all right, last week, what did I say? All this free money zone, you feel me? Free money range up here resting, feel me? So price was like here. I said we could get a little pop down to take out the lows, but she came, took out all these lows, and then these lows as well, and then actually traded above. You see, your stop loss would have probably been. Alright, that's the break. Nope, that's the break. Stop loss here, break. Well, all this free money, if you collected at least half of this to this high, like that's still grease. Doesn't matter if it didn't do the full move all the way to the high. Hell to the no. It doesn't matter if it didn't go to here. Hell to the no. But yeah, she traded above following the my prediction from last week. What I didn't even take part of it until the sell because I saw it was you see it started making a sell model, market maker sell model because yeah, 15-minute. Breaks up, displacement there. After that displacement, I just took this, yeah, just that because it failed to make fair value gaps to the top side. You see how every time it breaks here, where's what's there when it breaks? Fair value gap. Oh my goodness. And then it broke here, but no fair value gap. Oh my gosh. So takes this low. Where's fair value gap? Oh my god, I could have still kept taking those shorts and stuff. But niggas didn't, so I'm saying YM. Let me get the updated contract because March is yeah. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Well, let's get it. This week, what can we expect? Yeah, I really want to see these lows get taken. Daily says. Yeah, so Start of the week. I wouldn't be mad if it starts trading lower. See these lows. You see them beautiful lows. Okay, let's see this leg up. Where do we do? Where did we go? Yeah, so sell side. What was that? Okay, anyways, sell side here. So start of the week, we're gonna see all them lows get taken, all them lows get taken before we get the pump to the highs. But nobody's saying that she can't, take these lows as well and then tap in at least here and then take off. But that's a stretch. I really don't think that would happen. But yeah, let's move on. ES was phenomenal. It was the closest one to taking out the high. And yeah, like we said, we wanted, some lower prices on Sunday. Lower prices to get to the higher prices. So to take note of this fair value gap. And look at the bodies. Look at the bodies, how they just, it wicked below it. That's a little coloring outside the lines. It don't fucking matter. But yeah, the bodies stay inside. Like, you see this fair value gap? Bodies were above it. Let me show you. The other one that I had, still bodies were above it. See here? Inverts it. That means, if price comes back down, body should not close below there. Taps, it's closing. Nope. It claims close above it. And then once it closes below it, what happens? Look, just look at the bodies, bro. Once it closes below it, bodies close below. Then it comes back. It does not want to break outside that box to the soft side because it inverted it. So look at them bodies, bro. And you telling me, come on, bro. Can't tell me nothing after seeing all of that. But anyways, let's go. Yeah, this week I want to see these lows get taken, man. Let's see why I left it there. So we could potentially just look for shorts before getting the bigger move. Because it could just start like that. Just end like this. And then Thursday. Yeah, Monday goes up. Consolidates. Yeah. I see that. Now let's get into gold, baby. Gold, baby. Well, gold. She was lovely. Last week we said we wanted a big shoot up, but she did not give us that. We did get a flush. Not tried. Did enter a few little W's after the flush. What did you expect? Like, this is a beautiful flush too. Like, okay, it came down, took out sell side. Where here? Look at it. And did it take more? No, it didn't. Also, after it took that sell side, what was I looking for? An inversion of this. Fair value gap. It's probably on a lower time frame, which is why it was like that. But like, just look at the 30-minute fair value gap and tell me like the bodies. Once price traded low right here, and then body started. No bodies closing below. Bodies above. Oh, okay. Okay. That should show you something. That should show you something. And then this is what I got right here. You know what I mean? Because once we had the, I'll show you. Yeah, the break above there. This was for sure a plus 10. I mean, a plus 9, bro. Like I see as the, I think it was 15-minute. But anyways, yeah, we had the break above this order block right here. I mean, breaker block. Breaks above it, comes back. What do the bodies want to do? What is your confirmation? Bodies are staying within the breaker and also within the fair value gap. And it's like, why not execute, buddy? So I executed, got a nice plus 9. She also still continued to, yeah, 21. Anywho, that was the nice little move that I got there. I wanted to see it go to like at least these highs, but yeah, once it got here, I was like, yeah, she kind of like already took this high right here, so it's like, just take for a little bit more that you can get again. I put stop loss under, I think this 15-minute candle right there, but anyways, now I tried another long here because I look like a flush into here. Potentially holding up this breaker block. Come on. But then, what happened? It was kind of holding it. Break even. After the break even, traded below it. See, body closed below it, came back, wicked inside there, then traded way lower. See how the bodies and wicks tell the stories? I mean, the bodies tell the stories, not the wicks. The wicks are just, a little fluff. That's the stupid money getting taken and wicked out and yeah, whatever. But we smart money over here. I mean, you don't trade in that chop, especially wicks or chops. They're the opening of the candle, so that's the consolidation. We get a manipulation. No, no, no. Yeah, wicks are usually the manipulation leg. But what else did I do? Oil, crude oil, crude oil. Last week, what did we say? She was lovely, lovely. We could have got no moves here, but we did not expect that because we said, this is what we said. Yeah, moves up from here, moves up from here, from here, or get tracement down, really, to take out these lows and into this breaker, which the bodies did not break. Below it, like, come on, listen, listen. Even if it was this fair rally, it don't matter what PDO rate you use. If it was this fair rally gap, do the bodies even close below it? Hell to the no! Look at them. Those are wicks. Those are wicks. So yeah, nothing closed below it. This was I don't think I even took this because it was just forward testing. Then I took a -1 there. But yeah, I was like, what would I have seen here? Because I already predicted it from Friday, Sunday. See, I said I'm gonna get a little move up, then clear the liquidity. What did I do? Clear the liquidity that I had there. Then move up. I should have seen this 50%. Then that would have been my entry. Taken to the top side. Feel me? But niggas didn't. Eh, you win some, you miss some, yeah, it's whatever. So this week, as you all know, we like trading this with the RTH. It's beautiful. You see what I see? Hikes. Ooh, sales coming in beginning of the week. Yeah, I see this probably sells to like I want to say low to here, but like it's looking like here and then shoots up. But that's the RTH. That's the RTH because it has gaps here, gaps there. Yeah, we might just tap this second gap and then take off to the top side. Let's go back to electronic hours. Yeah, I see why you would tap that. Just tap it because it's easy. And then take off. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Should make sense. It's also within this breaker because we have a high, low. I mean, a low, high, lower low, then a higher high. But yeah, that's it for the week. Let me just a slight look. We gonna take her to the moon. That's what they say. Take her to the moon. Yeah, because once Bitcoin breaks above, you know what happens, man. We all know what happens. It could be like this, like when it broke there, but it's like, why? It's elite, cause like, look after all of this, man, actually broke there. But that's different right now. It's the way it is. You got 2 hours left in this candle, so if this candle closes above, if that candle closes, even if she don't right now, like look where we at. Look what kind of model is setting up. What is this? Mm-hmm. Is buying. Flush out. Takes out this low. Takes out this low. And gets into the oh, what could it be? Ooh, what could it be? Oh my god, look at the bodies. Look at the bodies. Tell me, or even this one. Look at them bodies, bro. Look at them bodies. So, yeah, Bitcoin, it just looks nice for the continuation to keep taking out highs because, yeah, that'll be the first impulse. Good action impulse. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And then we have the impulse. Now we waiting for another correction. Correction could come and take out these lows to this fair value gap. Come on. And then to the top side. Yeah, that was good. So yeah, that's it for the weekly review and forecast for the new upcoming week. So yeah, to you, good luck and good trading.